Part B. So this 1 over 3, this power is common to everything inside of the bracket. So we can write 8 to the power 1 over 3, 8 times 8 to the power 9 times 1 over 3, e to the power 6 times 1 over 3, power of a power. 8 is 2 to the power 3 times 1 over 3. Then here 9 and 3 we can cancel. 9 times 1, 3 times 1, this is 3 times 3, a to the power 3. 6 and 3 can cancel. 3 times 1, this is 3 times 2, e to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 and 1 over 3 also get cancelled. Answer is 2, a to the power 3, e to the power 2. A to the power 3, e to the power 2. Kiara, did you complete the paper? I couldn't hear.
Yes, miss.
Okay, check. We are in now first question, part B. Check the answer. 2, a to the power 3, e to the power 2. Part C, solve 2 over 3y plus 3 over 8y equal 5. This should be like this way. 2 over 3y plus 3 over 8y equal 5. Y is not comes to the denominator. It should be here. Then same like the part A, you can take the common denominator and simplify, or take the LCM of all the denominators and multiply. Both methods are correct because this is an equation. Part A, it is not an equation. Part A, we had an expression. Now equal mark is there, so we can find the value of y. 8 and 3, LCM is 24, or if we take the common denominator also 24. So if I take the common denominator, it is 24. To make 24, multiply the first fraction by 8, second one by 3. This is 16y plus 9y equal 5. 16 plus 9. 25y over 24 equal 5. Then this is like 5 over 1. You can cross multiply. 24 times 5 and 25y times 1. 25y equals 5 times 24. Then we are going to find y. So we need to divide both sides by 25. Then 25 get cancelled. Only y is remaining. This side we can simplify. 5 times 1. This is 5 times 5. 24 divided by 5. So 24 divided by 5 is 5 times 4 is 20. Remainder is 4. 40 is 8. 4.8. Y is equal to 4.8. You can use any method you like. If you use that other method, multiplying by the LCM, then it's like 2 over 3y plus 3 over 8y equal 5. Multiply all the terms by 24. 2 over 3y times 24 plus 3 over 8y times 24 equal 5 times 24. We multiply like this to cancel these denominators. 3 times 1, this is 3 times 8. 8 times 1, 8 times 3. Then 8 times 2 is 16y plus 9y equals 5 into 24. After that, it's same like this part where I can write. I write it here. 16 plus 9, 25y equals 5 into 24. Then divide both sides by 25. 4.8. This is one method. This is another method. Is it correct? 4.8?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Second question, Liam invests £8,000 in a saving account for 4 years. The saving account pays compound interest at a rate of 4.5% for the first year, 2.75 for all subsequent years. Work out the value of Liam's investment at the end of 4 years. So we have to do it separately 2 times. Find the amount at the end of the first year. At the end of the first year, so he is investing 8,000 times. So this is giving a interest no saving account. So at the end of the year, it should be more than 8,000. So percentage increase question. So we need to add it. 100 plus 4.5 over 100. So if we do like this, we are finding the interest plus the amount. If we do separately like 8,000 times 4.5 over 100, this is only for the interest. Interest after 1 year. Then we need to add 8,000 for that interest. If we write the formula like this way, then we are finding interest plus the amount, total amount at once. So use the cal and find this answer. 100 plus 4.4, 104.5, then divide it by 100 means keep the decimal point. So can simplify a little bit. 8,000 times 104.5 over 100. This means 2 zeros we can cancel.
Teacher,
80
I
times.
got the
Yes,
answer. I got the answer.
you got the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
80 times 104.5. 8,360. This is the amount at the end of 1 year. Pounds. Then after 4 years, so 1 year is done. 3
Teacher?
more years. Yes.
I got the answers. 83,000. Sorry. 83,600. Yeah.
Cannot be 83,000. So wait. Yes, this is 8,000. So invested amount is 8,000. So they are giving very small interest, 4.5. So where you got that one extra zero? Cannot be that much of big answer. No? Cannot be 80s.
Yeah, teacher. I have done a mistake.
Yeah. Then at the end of the other subsequent years means only 3 more years. No? At the end of the 4th year, now use 8,360 times 100 plus 2.75 over 100 to the power 3. It's not 4. Power is 3 because this is 1 year. Then next 3 years. Only 3 years here. Altogether 4 years. Then 8,360 times 102.75 over 100 to the power 3. 1.0275 to the power 3. 1.0275 . 9,068.84. Write the answer correct to two significant figures. That's enough. Not two figures, two decimal places. They haven't asked how to keep it, no? 68.84. This is the total amount at the end of 4 years in Liam's account. 9,068.84. Who got the answer? Kiara got. Good.
Miss, I don't know how, but I've got 9,068.63.
9,000.
Miss, but my decimal is 68.63.
Decimal
I don't know
point.
where I made a mistake. I'll check it again in the calendar.
Yeah, use the calendar. Check it again.
Yeah.
Next, second part, part B. Max invest some money in a savings bond. The saving bond pays interest at a rate of 2% per year. At the end of the first year, his savings bond is £5,763. How much money did Max invest in the savings bond? So this is to find the original amount. We have to do the opposite, inverse of that previous one. After value is given. After increase, it is 5,763. So only 1 year, no? At the end of the first year. They are paying interest of 2%. So we don't know the amount he invested times. This is, we know it should be percentage increase, no? Giving an interest savings bond, they are giving interest. So the after price is greater than the amount he invest. So percentage is increase, 100 plus percentage over 100. There's no any power because only 1 year. 5,763 is equal x into 102 over 100 is 1.02. So we are going to find the original quantity, the amount invest. So we need to make x, divide both sides by 1.02. So x is equal 5,763 divided by 1.02. 5,650. 5,750 pounds. Is it correct?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Miss, I got 5,600.
650. Wait. Yeah. It should be 6. $5,650. So you can do it without writing like this. Some are doing it like this way. Now we need to find the original amount, 5,760 times 100 divided by 102. Write at once. This also correct. Turn the fraction upside down. If we find the after increase, we write 102 over 100. To find the original amount or the before price, turn that fraction upside down. 100 over 102. This is also correct. Yenali, did you complete the paper?
Yes, teacher.
So we are discussing the second question. Second question, part B answer is 5,650. Did you get it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Third question. Ali uses a fitness tracker to count the number of steps he walks in each day of 7 days. For the first 4 days, his mean number of steps 11,800. For the next 3 days, his mean number of steps is 13,207. Work out his mean number of steps for the 7 days. So this is mean equation. Mean is equal sigma x over n. This is the definition for the mean. So first 4 days, mean is 11,800. 11,800. Total number of steps, we don't know. This is for 4 days. So total number of steps can find by cross multiplying. Sigma x1 times 11,800 times 4. Then for the next 3 days, mean is 13,207. There also we don't know the total number of steps. Number of days 3. So sigma x2 is 3 times 13,207. We can find these two separately. Then again write the mean equation for 7 days. Mean we don't know. Then total should be total number of steps for first 4 days plus the next 3 days, both. Sigma x1 is total number of steps for first 4 days, then next 3 days over number of days 7. So we can find these two separately. 11,800 times 4. 47,200. The next one, 3 times 13,207. 39,621. $47,200 plus 39,621 over 7. Add these two. 86,821. Divide by 7. 12,403 is the answer.
Miss, what is sigma? I've never learned about it in school.
This is the formula we use to find the mean. Mean is sum of all the terms divided by number of terms. No? So if there is a set of values like this, 2, 5, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1 like this, to find the mean means the average. No? We add all these numbers and divide by the number of numbers. If we add them, 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide by 7. So this is what we call mean. So instead of this total, this write in total, we are using a symbol. The symbol is sum of all the values. The x represent all of these numbers. Sum of all the values divide by n. N represent the number of values here.
Miss, what is that letter beside X?
This one. This is called
Yeah.
sigma. Meaning of this is sum of all the values. It's like a command. Sum of
Okay.
all the values.
Okay, I got it.
It's like a command. This is in the Excel. In Excel sheet also, you can see this symbol.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next one, find the equation of the straight line passes through the points A and B. Coordinates of point A and B given. So we need to use that gradient equation and find the gradient. Then use the general form y equals mx plus c and find what is intercept and write the final equation. Gradient is equal difference of y coordinates. y1 minus y2, or you can write y2 minus y1. x1 minus x2. Both okay. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. This is to find the gradient. So general form is y equals mx plus c. We need to know m and c. Now, first of all, we are going to find m. So if this is the first point, A is the first point, this is x1, y1. B is my second point, x2, y2. y1 is 12, y2 is minus 48. Subtract this difference, then minus 48. So, two minus signs there. x1 is minus 5 minus 19. This is the gradient. 12 plus 48, minus times minus is plus, then minus 5 minus 19, same sign, add the numbers. 19 plus 5 minus 24. 60 over minus 24. 12 times table, 12 times 5 over 2. Gradient is negative, negative 5 over 2. Then y is equal to mx plus c. Can select any point you like. If I select minus 5, 12, because it is having small numbers, no? Y means y coordinate, 12. Gradient m we found, 5 over 2. X coordinate is minus 5 plus c. Now only unknown term is c. We are going to find the intercept. 12 equals minus times minus plus 5 times 5, 25 over 2. Then we need to find c. So I'm going to take 25 over 2 this side. 12 minus 25 over 2. This is 24 minus 25 over 2 minus half. This is intercept. So equation is y equals minus 5 over 2 x minus half. Is this the equation? If you write them as decimals, it is minus 2.5x, y equals minus 2.5x minus 0.5. So remember the method. If they ask to find the equation, first we need to find the gradient. Then using y equals mx plus c and 1 point. Select in 1 point, find what is intercept. Then write the equation. Any straight line should be in this form, y equals mx plus c. Only we need to know what is m and what is c. First find m, then c, write the equation. Who got this correct? No one? Yenali got. Good. Okay, we'll go to next one. Question number 5. A, B, C, D and F, G, H, I are parallel lines. E, B, G, J and E, C, H are straight lines. B, E is equal to C, E. B, E line. This one, B, E line is equal to C, E. These two lines are equal. Angle B, E, C is 44 degrees. Work out J, G, H. J, G, H, this one. Find what is this angle. So parallel lines are there. So we know that parallel line theorems, alternate angles, the shape is Z, they are equal. Then corresponding angles, they are equal. Then co-interior or allied interior angles, the same type, interior angles, co-interior, allied angles, they are not equal, they are add up to 180. Total is 180, these ones equal. So 3 types are there. Other than that, we can use angles in a straight line add up to 180, angles around a point, 360, vertically opposite angles are equal. Can you use
Excuse
all
me,
those?
teacher.
Yes.
Isn't the before F1 and the second F1, aren't they the same?
This is not F. This is C, C, O, U.
No, I'm asking the diagrams that you drew. Oh, C.
C, O, U. This interior
Oh,
angles,
okay, teacher.
these ones. They are add up to 180. No, they are not equal. It's not F. So we'll start from 44. That's the only given one. No? And they have given us these two sides are equal. So BEC is a triangle. What kind of triangle?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, base angles are equal, no?
Yeah.
We can find these base angles. After that, from there we can come to here, this one. Then F, shape is F. Corresponding angles. It's not the only method. So after we find this base angle, then you can come to this one, the vertically opposite angles. After that, alternate angles, then come to this. So there are so many ways. Now I'm going to find first this base angle, then find what is this, the first question mark here, then find what they ask. But each stage we need to write the reasons. Triangle BEC is an isosceles triangle. Because of that, 44 plus, if I use x, x plus x equal 180. Base angles are equal. Can write within brackets also the reasons. 2x plus 44 is 180. So if we write the reason here, angles in a triangle add up to 180. Then 2x is 180 minus 44. Then divide by 2. 68. Then after that, can find. This is 68. What is this one? So I'm going to mark these ones. Then if not, no one knows what is this x, what is this y. No. This is x. This also x. And I'm going to use this one as y. X found. Now we write here 68 plus y is equal to 180. Angles in a straight line. Add up to 180 degrees. Then y is equal to JGH angle. Reason is corresponding. Therefore, it is 112. Write it like a story. For each step, write all the reasons. Is it 112?
Teacher.
Okay, the next one. Question number 6. Simultaneous equations. 4x plus 5y equals 4. 2x minus y equals 9. First label them as 1 and 2. So if we are going to make y terms equal, then multiply second equation by 5. If you are trying to make x terms equal, second equation multiply by 2. I am going to equate y terms because then only I have to add these two equations. It's easy. Addition is easy. Subtract, then we have to consider the sign also. I'm going to multiply second one by 5. Then 5 times 2, 10x minus 5y equals 45. This is my third equation. Now I have to consider first and third. 4x, 10x plus 5y minus 5y, 4 and 45. Y terms, they have different signs. Different signs add, same sign subtract. 1 plus 3. 10x plus 4x is 14x. Plus 5y minus 5y, y terms get cancelled. Then 45 plus 4. 14x equals 49. X is equal 49 divided by 14. It's a decimal answer.
Teacher.
Yes,
3.5.
3.5.
Yeah.
7 over 2 or 3.5. Then to find y, I can use the second equation. Or you can use any equation from these three. 2 times 7 over 2, x value is 7 over 2, minus y equal 9. 7 minus y is equal to 9 because 2 and 2 get cancelled. Then take y to other side, then it will be plus. Take 9 to this side, 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. Now we can check whether our answers are correct. 2 times x, 2 times 7 over 2 minus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Yes, this is 9. X equals 3.5, y equals minus 2. So from this week onwards, I will give you full papers to write. So only these papers are 50 marks now. Now we'll start to write full papers. Seventh question. Write 7.9 into 10 to the power minus 4 as an ordinary number. So this is minus 4 means it's a decimal value. 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move to left hand side. 0, 0, 0. Keep the decimal point. 0.00079. Then multiply. 6.5 and 3.5, 3.1 you can multiply together. This is not addition, multiplication, it's easy. Then the powers 10 to the power 5 times 10 to the power 4, same base at the powers. Multiply these two times 10 to the power 5 plus 4, 9. 6.5 times 3.1. 20.15. Then this is not in standard form. Make it standard form. Then it's 2.015 times 10 to the power 10. We moved it left no, to balance it at 1. 10 to the power 10. Addition only we have to think about the power. If it is addition, 6.5 into 10 to the power 5 plus 3.1 into 10 to the power 4. These powers should be same to add them. So we can convert them into ordinary form and add, or make them equal to equal powers. This 10 to the power 5 also we can write as 10 to the power 4. If I write 0.65, not 0.65, 65 into 10 to the power 4. This also now 10 to the power 4. Now we can add 65 and 3.1. 68.1 into 10 to the power 4. Then to scientific or the standard form, 6.81 into 10 to the power 5. Addition, we have to consider the powers. They should be equal. If not, convert into ordinary form, then add, convert back to the standard form. Multiplication easy. Only think about the same base at the powers and multiply the given two numbers. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. This is not about the gradient. Find in the midpoint. Two points are there, A and B. If this is point A and this is point B, midpoint. I will mark it as M. Then two parts should be equal. Middle point, coordinates of the midpoint. If this is x1 and y1 and the other point is x2, y2, midpoint is x1 plus x2, add the two x coordinates and divide by 2. Y coordinate of the midpoint is y1 plus y2, divide by 2. This is the formula you need to remember for midpoint. Add the two x coordinates and divide it by 2. Add y coordinates and divide by 2. So in this AB line, midpoint of AB. X coordinates 0 plus minus 4 divide by 2. Y coordinates 2 plus minus 1 divide by 2. 0 minus 4 is minus 4 divided by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2. Minus 2, half is 0.5. Minus 2, 0.5, midpoint. Work out the gradient. Gradient, that previous formula, difference of y coordinates and difference of x coordinates. y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. y1, this is x1, this is x2, this is y2. 2 minus minus 1 over x1 is 0. 0 minus minus 4. Minus times minus plus, 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus times minus plus 4. 3 over 4. Or can write 0.75. Gradient of the line AB. The next part they might ask, what is the equation? Remember the midpoint thing. Midpoint, add the two x coordinates and divide by 2. Y coordinates divide by 2. Find an equation of the line AB. So we found the gradient. Gradient is 3 over 4. Then select one point. If I select 0, 2, in this one, 0, 2 means when x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 2. That means it's the y-intercept. If I mark it on the coordinate plane, if this is x and this is y, 0, 2 point. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 2. This is the point. So this line is passing through this. This is y-intercept. C is 2. Gradient we found in part B, 3 over 4. Intercept is 2. So equation is y equals 3 over 4x plus 2. Or y equals 0.75x plus 2. If not, if you don't remember it is intercept, use that y equals mx plus c. Then select one point. Then substitute this into the equation. 2 equals gradient we found 3 over 4 x coordinate 0 plus c. 3 over 4 into 0 is 0. 2 is equal to 0 here. This is the intercept. Then equation is y equals 3 over 4x plus 2. Remember, if x coordinate is 0, then its y coordinate is the intercept. If it is not 0, can't write. X coordinate should be 0. This is correct? Linaya, yes. Others? Minha?
Yes, miss.
Correct. Kiara?
Miss, I got it correct.
Okay. Yenali?
Teacher, I haven't put the X may in my answer.
You should write x. Y equals mx plus c, no? Write x.
Okay.
The diagram shows a triangle. The lengths of the sides of the triangle 3x, 3x minus 5 and 4x plus 2 centimeters. The perimeter is 62. Work out the value of x. It is easy. Perimeter is add all the side lengths. 3x plus 3x minus 5 plus 4x plus 2. This is the perimeter. Add all the side lengths. It is equal to 62. Then add the x terms. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10x. Then minus 5 plus 2 is different sign subtract. 3x. 3 equal to 62. Then take this minus 3 to other side. It goes as plus 3. Then it is 65. Divide both sides by 10. X is equal to 6.5 centimeters. Work out the value of x. Only x is asking. Area half into base into height. Area of a triangle half base height. Perimeter add all the side lengths. Question number 10. Jalina left her home at 10 to cycle to a park. On her way to the park, she stopped at a friend's house and then continued her journey to the park. Here is the distance time graph for her journey to the park. So stopped at one place, friend's house. So stopped means here. Time is taken, but the distance not. So distance 0. On this 11 to this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. 14. 15. So first mark this time axis. Then one small square is 15 minutes. 1 hour, no? 10 to 11, 1 hour. 4 small squares divided into 4 parts, equal parts, 15 minutes each. So 11 to 11:15, 15 minutes she stopped at her friend's house. After that again she continued or cycled to the park. The total distance travel 15 plus this less than 25. So we'll find what is the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 24. Total distance she cycled is 24 kilometers. Then from her home to the park, distance is this 24 kilometers. Then the time taken 10, 11, 1 hour, 11 to 12, 1 hour, 2 hours. 2 hours, but actually it's not 2 hours because 15 minutes she stopped, no? So it is like 1 hour and 45 minutes actual time taken to travel from her home to the park. 1 hour and 45 minutes. On her journey to the park, did Jalina cycle at a faster speed before or after she stopped at her friend's house? Before or after? This is friend's house, no? Before means this part. After is this. Speed given by the gradient of the speed distance time graph or the steepness of the line. So check the steepness or find the gradient. Both methods are okay. If we find the gradient, This is the triangle. Speed before, I'm going to find speed before stopped in friend's house. Before speed. Distance travel 15. Time taken 1 hour. So speed is 15 kilometers per hour. Then after that, after speed, distance traveled is 24 minus 15. This is the distance, 24 minus 15. Time taken is not 1 hour, 11:15 to 12. 45 minutes. 45 minutes we have to convert into hours and write. 45 minutes, 45 over 60. Divide by 60 to convert into hours. Then if we divide by 15 times table, 15 times 3, this is 15 times 4, 3 over 4 hours. I will write this division the other way. 3 over 4. 24 minus 15 is 9. Divide by 3 over 4. Then division can change into multiplication. Write the reciprocal. 3 times 1. This is 3 times 3. 12 kilometers per hour. This is before speed. This is the after speed. Now, on her journey to the park, did Jalina cycle at a faster speed before or after? Before, more speed. After, it's less than 50. So, answer should be before. Before she stopped at her friend's house. Then give reasons for your answer. For the reason, can show this speed calculation. Before speed and after speed. This one. Can show this is as the reason. Before speed is 15 is more than 12. Before speed is bigger than after speed. Or without finding these answers, you can go through this line and say which line is steeper. Steeper one is having more speed. Faster one is the steeper line. So this is 4 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This also will consider 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Here. 9 squares, it's like 2. Horizontally 2 squares. So this is steeper. 9 squares it is 3. Horizontal distance is 3. Steeper one is this. So another reason is without finding these speeds, you can say before she stopped at her friend's house, the graph shows a steeper line. This is steeper. Then they asked to complete the graph also. Jalina stayed at the park for 45 minutes. Then she cycled without stopping at a constant speed of 16 kilometers per hour from the park back to home. Show all this information on this distance time graph. Stopped 45 minutes. (15, 30, 45). Stopped. Then after that, She cycled back to the home 16 kilometers per hour. Speed equals distance over time. Distance we have. Distance is 24 kilometers. This is the distance from home to the park. Then park to the home also same distance. Now going back. But we don't know the time taken. We'll find what is time. So time is equal distance divided by speed. Make t as the subject. T is equal, distance is 24 kilometers, speed is 16. 24 divided by 16. 1.5 hours. 1 hour and 5 means 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes. This is not 50 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes. From here, this is 2, we'll mark again these lines. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now it's 12:45. 1 hour means 1:45. Another 30 minutes. 5, 15, 30. Here. Draw the line from here to 2:50. Time taken 1 hour and 30 minutes. From 12:15 to 12:45 to 1:45, 1 hour. Then this is that 30 minutes. The time is 2:15. By 2:15, she is at home. Work out Jalina's average cycling speed in kilometers per hour for the complete journey to the park and back. Do not include the times when she was not cycling in your calculation. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. We need total distance travel and total time taken for the average speed. Average speed is equal total distance traveled over total time taken. Total distance means from home to the park and park to the home. Home to the park, 24 kilometers. From park to the home, another 24 kilometers. So total distance is 24 plus 24. Then the total time, she went out of the house by 10. She came back at 2:15. Then we can find the difference. No time difference we can find, but we need to subtract this 15 minutes she stayed at friend's house and the time she stayed at the park. We need to subtract this because in the question they mentioned, do not include the times when she was not cycling. We need to subtract here 15 and here 15 times 3, 45. 45 plus 15, 60. That means 1 hour. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. 2:15. Time difference 11, 12, 1, 2. 4 hours and 15 minutes. No? From 4 hours and 15 minutes, subtract 1 hour. 4 hours, 15 minutes total time taken. 11, 12, 1, 2. Need to subtract 1 hour. Then it is 3 hours and 15 minutes. Then we need to enter it into this formula in hours, not hours and minutes. So we'll convert it into hours. 3 hours, 15 minutes is 1/4, quarter. 3, 1/4. This is a mixed number. Can write it as an improper fraction. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13/4. This is the total time. 24 plus 24, 48. Divide it by the time taken, 13 over 4, 48 times 4 over 13. 48 times 4, 192. Divide it by 13. 14.769. It goes like that. Correct to first decimal place. 14.8. 14.76. It goes like this. Kilometers per hour. Correct to first decimal place. 14.8 kilometers per hour. Remember the formula for the average speed. Total distance traveled over total time taken. Total distance means from home to the park plus park to the home. This is 24 kilometers, again 24 kilometers. So that's why it is 48. Then time taken, so started at 10. So came back to the home at 2:15. There's 4 hours and 15 minutes time difference. They asked to not to include times where she is not cycling. So we need to subtract that time. 15 minutes she stayed at friend's house, then 45 minutes at the park. So altogether 1 hour. Subtract 1 hour from 4 hours and 15 minutes. Then it's 3 hours and 15 minutes. Convert it to hours and input into the formula. 3 hours, 1 over 4 hours. Altogether 3 1 over 4 convert into an improper fraction. 13 over 4 hours. Then it's like fractions, no? Division of fractions change into multiplication. Correct the answer to first decimal place. 14.8 kilometers per hour. Who got this correct? Linaya got. Yenali got. Kiara?
Miss, I got
Minha?
it correct.
Okay. Minha?
Miss, I got it as well.
Okay. The last question. Yuko flew on a plane from Tokyo to Sydney. The plane flew a distance of 7,800 kilometers. The flight time was 9 hours and 45 minutes. Work out the average speed. That's also average speed. Average speed is equal total distance divided by the time taken. Time taken is given 9 hours and 45 minutes. We'll convert it into hours. 9 hours, 45 minutes, 3 over 4. 9, 3 over 4. Convert it into improper fraction. 9 times 4, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. Over 4 hours. Divide by 39 over 4. $7,800 times 4 divide by 39. 800 kilometers per hour.
Teacher,
Yes.
I got my answer correct, but I never, for the denominator, I didn't put 39 over 4. I kept it as 9.75.
Now correct. 9.75 hours. It's as a decimal. I put it as a fraction.
Okay.
3 over 4 means 0.75. Time is equal 9 hours plus 0.75. Then 9.75 hours. This is the same thing as a decimal. Next paper onwards, we'll do full papers. In school, have you done that sequence lesson?
Yes,
Arithmetic,
Yes,
arithmetic
miss.
sequence, that SN formula, SN equals N over 2, that one?
Teacher, and the TN formula also, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I have done in school.
Others?
Teacher, we have done half of it, not fully.
Not fully. In sequence lesson, they are like number patterns. So if we know or identify the pattern, we can guess the next term. First, we'll discuss about that. We can do some questions from that after that. Sequences like 2, 4, 6, 8, we can identify there is a pattern of these numbers. So we can guess what comes next. Now if I write like 3, 6, 9, the same way, we can guess next two terms. So we call the difference between two consecutive terms as common difference. Now we can select any two consecutive terms, 6 and 8, 6 and 4, like that. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. It goes like that. Then the next term comes as 8 plus 2, 10. After that, 10 plus 2, 12. Next one, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. The next term is 12 plus 3, 15. Plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18. So term to term rule. Term to term rule or common difference. Term to term rule in first number pattern is add 2. Second number pattern, term to term rule is add 3. It is not always addition. Sometimes it goes as subtract. If I write another pattern like 15, 15 minus 2 is 13, 13 minus 2, 11, 11 minus 2 is 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 7 minus 2, 5, like this. Then term to term rule is subtract 2. So common difference is this one, 2. Here common difference is 3. Third number pattern, common difference is minus 2. So that's what we called as common difference. In all these three patterns, only we can find the next term by adding or subtracting. There's no common difference like multiply the first term by 2, like that. No multiplication, no division. So these kind of number patterns called as arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic. term to term rule or the common difference goes like additions and subtractions only. Arithmetic sequence. There is another type of sequence called geometric sequence. We are not doing in this lesson geometric sequence. Geometric sequence is like multiply. If I write the fourth one, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 2, 64. Term to term rule is not addition subtractions. Term to term rule. Multiply 2. Multiply by 2. Then we don't call this as common difference. It's not common difference. This is common ratio. We multiply by 2. It's a common ratio. We are not doing geometric sequence or geometric series in your syllabus. Only arithmetic sequence. So if we want to find any term in an arithmetic sequence, we have a formula that is starts from Tn. Any term of the formula a plus n minus 1 times d. A stand for first term. D is the common difference. Not common ratio, common difference. We can use this only for arithmetic sequence. N stands for number of terms in the sequence. Number of terms. Arithmetic sequences. In an arithmetic sequence, to find any term, can use this. Then there's one more formula in the lesson that is for to find the sum of terms in the arithmetic sequence. If there are 3 terms like this, 2, 4, 6, it's easy. No need to use a formula. We need to add these 3. The sum of all these 3 terms, 2 plus 4 plus 6. If there's 100 terms or 50 terms like that, we can't add all these 50 numbers or 100 terms. For those kind of arithmetic sequences, can use this formula that is starts with Sn. S stands for sum. N stands for the number of terms. 50 terms or 10 terms, 20 terms like that. S100, sum of 100 terms. S20, sum of 20 terms. N over 2. 2a, a is first term, plus n minus 1 into d. Or, if we know the first term and the last term, Sn is equal n over 2. A is first term, L is last term. Second formula only can use if we know the last term, this one. Very rarely we use this second formula. Mostly we use this first one. First
Excuse,
one. Yes, Linaya?
can you tell me what stands for like L? What does L identifies, indicates?
Last term. L is
Okay.
last term. Mostly we are using this first formula. N over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is number of terms, a is first term, d is common difference. Same meanings like this.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Second formula, L stands for the last term. Very rarely we use this because we should know the last term. If we don't know, can't use it now. L is last term. One example for this second formula is?
Teacher, if we have the first term and the last term, and if we have to find the middle term, we can use the second formula, right?
Middle term?
Like something between them, the first term and the last term.
No, this formula is for the sum of terms, not to find the number of terms. Sum of terms. If there are 100 numbers, these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also a number pattern. It goes till 100. So is this a arithmetic sequence or not? 1 to 100? What is term to term rule?
Add 2.
Add 2. Is it add 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. What is term to term rule?
Add 1.
Add 1. Term to term rule is add 1. So this is arithmetic sequence. What is the common difference?
My 1.
Common difference is 1. What is the first term?
1.
What is the last term?
100.
How many terms are here? Number of terms?
5.
5. I put dots. So there are some numbers in the middle. 100 means which term? First term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, fourth term is 4. Like that. 100 is which term?
100 is 100.
100 terms. So there are 100 terms in this number pattern. So we know D, A, last term, N. So can use any of these formulas, first or second. So second one is easier. SN, S100. S100 is equal. N means number of terms, 100 over 2. First term is 1. Last term is 100. 100 over 2 is 50. 100 plus 1 is 101. 5, 0, 5, 0. 5050. So this is the sum of numbers from 1 to 100. These are normal counting numbers, no? Sum of counting numbers from 1 to 100 is 5050. So in these instances, can use this second formula. If you don't know the last term, can't use. Then this Tn means if we need to find the fifth term, this is T5. If we need to find seventh term, this is T7. It goes like that. Now, is it okay? Only two formulas, mainly Tn formula and Sn formula. Tn is used to find any term of an arithmetic sequence, not any other types. Sn is sum of terms in an arithmetic sequence. The other one, very rarely we use Sn equals n over 2a plus l. If you want to write anything, you can note it down, because I'm going to give some questions from this part. We start from here. This is the question. First three terms of an arithmetic sequence is given. All three terms are in terms of x. But the answer should be a whole number. Find as an integer the sum of first 40 terms of the sequence. Sum of first 40 means S40. We need to use the second formula, this one. S40. But before that, we need to find the value of x. This is first term, second term, third term. Likewise, it goes till 40th term. We don't know what is that 40th term. Actually, we don't want that also because we are using this second one, Sn formula. We don't want the last term. We know that is 40th term, S40. Common difference means the difference between two consecutive terms. I can write it like T2 minus T1. Any two terms, T3 minus T2. Only three terms are given. Or T3 minus T2. This is the common difference. First, find the value of x and tell me. Start it. No one found the value of x? You can find the value of x using the common difference. That's the hint. Find what is common difference. It is? Sorry, I couldn't hear. Send me a message. Linaya, Minha. Ah, yes, correct. After you find the value of x, then write the formula S40. Yenali, you can do the fourth question. Third one, write what is common difference. Common difference is second term minus first term. This is second term. This is first term. X plus 2 minus 4x minus 14. X plus 2 minus 4x plus 14. Remove the bracket. X minus 4x is minus 3x. 2 plus 14 is 16. Still, this is in terms of x. Then again write the common difference using third term and the second term. T3 minus T2. Third term is 7x minus 9. Second term is x plus 2. 7x minus 9 minus x minus 2. 6x, 9 minus 2, same sign, add them, minus 11. Now, common difference means it is same for the entire sequence. No? It is not different. So, same common difference for the whole sequence. So, I can write 3x minus 3x plus 16 is equal to 6x minus 11. Now, using this, find what is x. That's how we find the value of x. Can collect all the x terms into right hand side. Numbers to left. 16 plus 11. 6x plus 3x. 16 plus 11 is 27. 6 plus 3 is 9x. X is equal to, divide by 9, 3. X is 3. Then write S40. What is S40? N over 2. 40 over 2. 2a. 2 times a. A is 4x minus 14. So now we'll substitute x is equal to 3 and find what is first term. First term is equal 4x. 4 into 3 minus 14. 12 minus 14 is minus 2. Plus n is 40 minus 1. Common difference also we didn't find yet. D is equal, can use any of this or this. If I use the first one, minus 3 times 3 plus 16. Minus 9 plus 16. Minus 9 plus 16 is 7. Common difference is 7. 20. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. 40 minus 1 is 39. Minus 4 plus 39 times 7. 273. 273 minus 4. 269. Multiply it by 20. Final answer is 5380. That is third one. Exam questions are like this. They don't ask to find first term, second term like that. So this is 4 marks here. Third one answer 5380. Then try for fourth one. The sum of first 48 terms of an arithmetic series is 4 times the sum of first 36 terms of the same series. Same number pattern. So first term is same, common difference is same. Find the sum of the first 30 terms of this series. So using this first sentence, we can write an equation. What is that equation? The sum of first 48 terms is 4 times the sum of first 36 terms. Can write an equation. What is that equation? What is the equation? We can write using this first sentence. No one wrote? Sum of first 48 terms. That means S48 is 4 times the sum of first 36 terms. First 36 terms, S36. 4 times 4 into. Sum of 48 terms is 4 times sum of 36 terms. This is the equation. Then after that, write the formula for S48 and S36. S48 means n over 2. 48 over 2. 2a plus n minus 1. n is 48. D. A and D we don't know. Equals 4 times S36. N over 2. 2a plus n minus 1. n is now 36. D we don't know. Now try to simplify this and make it simpler. We can make a simple equation in terms of A and D. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 2a plus 48 minus 1 is 47d. This is 2 times 1, 2 times 2. 36 times 2 is 72. 2a plus 36 minus 1, 35d. Don't expand the bracket. We'll take this 24 to other side. Then this side 22a plus 47d. 72 over 24. 2a plus 35d. 72 over 24. That is 3. 2a plus 47d. 3 times 2a plus 35d. Now we'll remove the bracket. 2a plus 47d. 6a plus 35 times 3. 105. We'll take all A and D terms into one side. We can simplify further. No? I'm going to take everything to right hand side. 6a plus 105d minus 2a minus 47d. 4a 105 minus 47. 58. That's all we can do. We'll keep it from here and we'll go to next. What they want? Find the sum of 30 terms, S30. S30 is equal n over 2. 30 over 2, 2a plus 30 minus 1 into d. 15, 2a plus 30 minus 1 is 29d. Now come back to this equation we made here. 4a plus 58d. Now from this one, I can take 2 as a common factor. 0 equals 2 times 2a plus 29d. Now we have the answer. So I want what is 2a plus 29d. 2a plus 29d is 0 divided by 2 equals 2a plus 29d. I took this 2 to other side. Then it goes as division because this is multiplication. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 2a plus 29d. 2a plus 29d means 0. This is equal to 0. So answer is 15 times 0. 0 is the answer. See what has happened. So many workings. The final answer becomes 0. Why is that? How is it 0? Is it possible to become 0 as the total? Is it a practical answer? Can it be 0? Sum of terms? Tell me the reason. How is it 0? Can we accept that? Yenali, why is it 0? Have you seen some? Yes. Cancelled. So some sequences are there like this. Start with -5, then -3, -1, 0, 2, 4, 6. Goes like this way. In this sequence, we have negative and positive numbers both. Now, if we add all, we will be able to get an answer as 0. Reason is we have negative and positive numbers both. Or we will get an answer with negative answer or positive answer. That is the reason. In this sequence, some terms are negative, some are positive, both are there. That's why we got an answer like 0, because it's not practical answer. No, sum of terms, can it be 0? Yes, can. The reason is in this sequence, there are some terms negative also. Negative and positive both are there. That's why it becomes 0. 15 terms will be positive, other 15 will be negative, like that. Then the total will be 0. So this question is 5 marks. Do these two again and see. You have to practice the questions, then only it's easy for you to do in an exam, because only we are doing the theory, no. From the theory in the textbook, we are doing simple questions as examples. But past papers, the questions are very difficult, not like questions in the book. We have to practice questions, that's why. I will share the next paper. Next one is a full paper, 2-hour paper. Okay, finished? So if you have any doubts or questions, you can ask now. When is next week? Seventh. Vinaya, is it okay now? Kiara, Minha?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, miss.
Okay, then we'll finish the class. Good night.
Good night, teacher. Thank you, teacher. God bless you, teacher. Have a nice day, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Have a nice day.
Okay, bye.